Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be removing this beautiful set. I'm so sad about it, but life must go on. I've had these on for maybe like a week and a half or something. So I'm just going to start by cutting them down with my extension clipper. I guess that's what it's called. I don't know. But I'm so sad taking these off. They were such a beautiful set. You guys know I love them. So here are all the baby pieces. And you know, I'm fine. I'm totally fine.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, anyway, I'm gonna start by cutting off my little gems and stuff. So if you guys watched the video of me applying these nails, you guys know I don't use any type of glue. And the reason being is just it's too difficult to remove crystals when you have, massive amount of glue on your nails. So I only use a top coat for this. This way it makes it easier to just kind of pick off when I need to. And they all stayed, so I've never had an issue only using top coat to seal my crystals. You just have to do it right. So the main attraction of this video is my new PANA drill bit. So this is their tornado drill bit, and it is in a fine. I absolutely love this, so I wanted to share with you guys. This is my first time using it, so I'm just going to show you guys my first impression of it. So this is the normal comb bit that I use, and it's just like a ceramic fine bit. I just got it in like one of those random packs you find on Amazon. So I'm just going to replace it, and I'm going to show you guys how this works. So before getting started, I'm going to bust out my dust collector because there's going to be a lot of dust involved. Just to update you guys on this review, I still very much love this dust collector. I do have to get a new filter though, but other than that, it's a really great dust filter. So yeah, I'm going to put this speed up to 10. I don't like to work with fast speeds on my drill just because it scares me. So 10 is good enough. I'm going to start with my pinky, and I'm just going to let you guys see how well this works. So from here, I can kind of fast forward, but let me just explain to you guys. I love this drill. It takes down the gel polish so fast, and then it also takes down the bulk of the nail really well too. So with this drill, it was strong enough to remove the gel polish as well as thin it out, so that the soaking process is a lot easier. So now we can go ahead and start the soak off process. Before I do any soaking off, I like to push back my cuticle just for whatever reason. I just prefer to do this. So I got this huge pack of foil wraps. Sorry. I got this huge pack of foil wraps from Amazon. I'll make sure to link it down below. But I'm going to grab 5 of these and we're going to go ahead and start the soaking. So just to let you guys know, I do have a soak off kit on my website, so I'll make sure to link that down below also. It comes with everything that I'm using. So I'm just going to use this bottle to spray the acetone into the cotton pad, and I'm going to wrap my finger up. So this is 100% pure acetone, so if you guys do choose to purchase my kit, you'll receive one of these and then a bunch of foil wraps. I absolutely love these foil wraps because they aren't loose on your fingers. I've bought foil wraps from the store before, but they never hug your finger. They always come loose for some reason, but these ones are amazing. So like I said, I'll have the link down below. So I'm just going to saturate the pads and yeah, finish the fingers. So next, I'm going to grab this bottle again, and you guys see it has this really thin nozzle. I'm just going to put it right into the foil and add a little bit more acetone because I find that when I wrap my fingers, a lot of the acetone kind of seeps out. So I'm able to apply a little bit more with this bottle. Okay, so after 15 minutes, I can start to remove the foils. So I'm just going to do one by one. I'm going to remove the foil and push off any of the gel. This is the reason why I love Nail Couture so much, is because the soak off process is super easy. For some reason, their formula just soaks off really fast. I don't understand. So obviously, the longer you wait, the more that soaks off. So I was able to get everything off my nail plate except for a little bit on the tip. So I'm going to go in with my file in a little bit. But let me just scrape off the rest so you guys can see how easy it is. So really quickly, I'm just going to show you a close-up on the thumb of how fast and easy it is to soak off. It doesn't get like really gummy like the other brands do. So I'm able to just push it off and not have to worry about any gunky mess. So I absolutely love this stuff. So next I'm going to go in with my drill, and I'm using the same drill bit just on the lowest, the very, very lowest setting, which is like a 3. You obviously don't have to do this. You can use a nail file, but I absolutely love this drill because it's gentle enough to remove any excess gel without damaging my natural nail. So I'm just going to go over any area that I wasn't able to get off with the pusher. So around the free edge is where most of the thick gel is, just because that's where most of the product seeps out from. So I'm going to file it down as much as I can, and then I'm going to soak it off for another like 2 minutes, so you guys will see. So before I go in with the re-soak, I'm just going to clean my nails. I'm going to spray them with my cuticle remover. And I'm going to push back my cuticles as well as remove any dead skin that's on the nail plate. So I'm just going to put the foils back on for literally like 3 minutes just to kind of soften the gel again. And then I'm going to go back in with my drill and get off all the extra gel. So last I'm going to file up the free edge of my nail, clean everything up, and then I'm going to spritz it with some rubbing alcohol just to kind of clean off all the dust on there. And then I'm also going to put on my cuticle oil, and that is the finished result. So as you guys can see, my nails are still very much healthy and strong after all of this. This is why I love soft gel extensions, because the damage is very little to none. So yes. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget, I do have my removal kits available on my website now. So I'll have everything linked down below. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.